Check it out, we've just installed wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto on this 2012 to 2015 Lexus LX 570. The Hamilton upgrade kit is going to make your vehicle feel brand new. Such a timeless vehicle, the Lexus version of the Land Cruiser, it really makes sense for this car to have CarPlay. This system is going to preserve all of your factory features. You can see we can shift to reverse. There's your factory reverse camera. Everything is still here. You won't lose anything at all. Coming back into park, right back to wireless CarPlay. This system will have wireless CarPlay and Android Auto as well as wired. We're going to talk to you today about the features of this kit. We have a full installation video on our YouTube channel, as well as a very important video that shows you how to pair and set up CarPlay and the audio. If you've just installed this in your car, give those a watch. No matter which app you use for music, you'll see you have large, beautiful cover art. CarPlay supports all major music apps. This is Apple Maps, and CarPlay supports Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or any other navigation app that has a CarPlay component. You'll have easy access to large, beautiful navigation, and Siri will read your directions.
Starting route to 6010 Triangle Drive.
We've precision-tuned this device to work with your factory microphone, so Siri has no trouble hearing you for requests. Hey Siri, how's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
It's currently clear and 74 degrees. Today's high is 72, and the low is 60.
Phone calls will sound great, and you can send text messages with Siri as well. Any app that has a CarPlay component is going to automatically show up here in CarPlay. You can use the steering wheel controls to turn the volume up and down, and to skip the songs forwards and backwards. You won't lose anything with this system. Long holding the voice speech button for 3 seconds on the steering wheel brings you back to your factory Lexus operating system. Here you have your original navigation, original climate page, and of course we preserve all audio modes. You can use AM, FM, or your original satellite radio. Long holding that voice speech button for 3 more seconds will bring you back to CarPlay. Apple CarPlay is only getting more and more powerful, and this Hamilton kit will make your vehicle feel brand new. We've designed it with a top-of-the-line ARM Cortex-based processor. This is a similar chip used in the newest vehicles. This system is designed with a top-of-the-line heat exchanger as well. We are in Raleigh, North Carolina. It gets really hot here as well. We have a lot of customers in the Middle East, so all of our products are designed to stand up to harsh temperatures, hot and cold, and that's very important in the auto parts industry. Because we only use the highest quality components throughout our products, we can back them with a 3-year warranty. We call this warranty the Hamilton Guarantee, and it means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. We have concierge-style tech support here to help. Give us a call at 919-858-2890. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.